Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss TRIM function, which is used to remove space character or other specified character from the start or end of the string. Syntax is TRIM characters from string. Here characters from is optional. If we want to remove a specific character, then only we should write characters from. String is required. This is the string from where we want to remove spaces or character. RTRIM will remove the trailing spaces from a string and LTRIM will remove the leading spaces from a string. TRIM function returns a string after removing all prefixes or suffixes from the given string. To remove the leading and trailing character, we can also write TRIM both leading trailing the character to be removed from string. Both will remove the character from left and right both. Leading will remove the leading prefix and trailing will remove the trailing prefix. Remove string is the string to be removed. From is the keyword and string, actual string from where remove string will be removed. After trim, we have to write either both or leading or trailing. Then we have to write the remove string from string. Now we'll see some examples. Select trim leading M from madam. We'll remove the first M from madam and the result will be ADAM. Select trim trailing M from madam. We'll remove the last M from madam and the output will be MADA. Select trim both M from madam will give output as ADA. Select trim M from madam will also give the same result. The output will be ADA. Select trim madam without any string character. It will give the same madam because we have not provided any character to be trimmed. Now we'll see practically how it will work. Select length within bracket. If you will write 4 spaces, then Minati, then 4 spaces, the length will be 14. If you will write trim function, select length trim 4 spaces, then Minati, then 4 spaces, the length will be 6 because it will trim the spaces from both its left and right. First it will trim the characters, then it will find the length of the string. Select length within bracket RTRIM within bracket 4 spaces Minati 4 spaces will give 10 because it will remove the right side spaces. Similarly, we can remove the spaces from left also. For that we have to write select length within bracket LTRIM within bracket 4 spaces Minati 4 spaces, then it will give 10. After removing the left side spaces, 10 characters are there. Now we'll see how trim function works without length function. Select LTRIM 4 spaces Minati 4 spaces will give Minati, and after that there will be 4 spaces. For that only that length in the previous command was 10. Select RTRIM 4 spaces Minati 4 spaces will remove the right side spaces and the output will be 4 spaces Minati. Now we will see how to use leading, trailing and both. Select trim leading M from Minati will remove first M from Minati and the output will be INATI. The string is Minati and the first M will be removed if we will use trim leading. If the character is not there and we want to remove, then it will give the same string. Select trim trailing I from Minati will remove the last character I and the output will be MINAT. Here the string is Minati and trailing I will remove the last I of Minati. Select trim both M from Madam will remove both M from leading and trailing side and the output will be ATA. And the same work can be done if we will write select trim M from Madam. Now we will see how can you use this trim function in a particular table. We are using employee database. In EMP table we do not have any record with leading and trailing spaces. First we will insert one employee name which will have both leading and trailing spaces. Insert into EMP values E13 space Vishal space 14,200 will insert one row in EMP table. Select star from EMP will show all the records in EMP table. E13 EMP code is having EMP name 3 spaces Vishal 3 spaces. If we will write select length within bracket trim name from EMP where EMP code is equal to 13, it will give only 6 because it will trim both leading and trailing spaces from Vishal. By using trim, we can remove the unnecessary spaces and unnecessary characters given while entering data in the table. Without trim function, select length name from EMP where EMP code is 13 will give 12 as output. Instead of length, if we will write trim, select trim name from EMP where EMP code is 13 will trim the white spaces from both trailing and leading ends. The result is Vishal without any spaces. Select length RTRIM name from EMP where EMP code is 13 will give 9. The trailing white spaces are removed and it is having 3 spaces Vishal only. Select LTRIM name from EMP where EMP code is 13 will give Vishal and 3 spaces. To find the length after LTRIM, we can write select length LTRIM name from EMP where EMP code is E13. It will give 9. Vishal is having 6 characters and 3 spaces. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.